Hi, good morning. I have been struggling deeply with the way people treat me because I'm a Filipina married to a Canadian man. The judgment and mocking have been painful and humiliating. I have endured betrayal so many times that it has left me emotionally exhausted to the point where I feel I can no longer carry the weight of it all. I have always tried my best to be a good partner, to be strong, and to prove my worth despite the criticism. But last night was especially painful when my husband said he is done. The moment broke something inside me. I do not blame him. Sometimes I feel like I have only have a burden to him, and that thought it hurts more than anything. Perhaps this is something I need to accept, no matter how difficult it is, because that's life is. And yes, I don't know.